These here work a lot better because the old ones with the other mattress, man, those things will start coming over, and I just push.
Yeah, with that there. You see, with the top and the bottom, that keeps it all together.
Yeah.
You know.
The metal's not hitting; it's just the edge
Just
of
the edge of that. Yep, as far as it goes. Yep, that's about right.
Yep. Let me see anybody else with adjustable bed do that.
Option A, B, or C, and A was the winner.